Good morning everyone and welcome back to Lazi-Low Collectibles, and this week we have the Painted Blue Challenge on DMC Diecast and Modellers community for Alzheimer's Society. So let's take a closer look. Off the turntable, let's take a closer look of this one. This might be my applicants for the Painted Blue, the DMC challenge for September this year. And that's a charity for the Alzheimer's Society. If you need more information, you can find us on Facebook, DMC Diecast and Modellers community, or on YouTube. So I tried to paint this car blue. I've done this with the roof before that. I've done silver. This one I tried to do a different color, so I tried to do blue. And I have a replacement windscreen. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit. I have no idea. It should do. Should go like this. But you never know with these toys. I might have to cut off a little bit that because it might be too big. I hope it's gonna work. So I will drill this out and I will show you what's inside. That I think is one piece. And you can see the residue of the windscreen, the old windscreen there. We got the steering wheel. It's a nice little model. I do like this one, and it's a beautiful Corgi toys. So I'll come back with the pieces. Drilling is done, so let's see if we can take this apart. Shouldn't be too difficult. That's one, and that's the back. So simple base. I need to remove the hubs. I've got that tool. I will bring in a minute. And yeah, it's just the 4 hubs and the base. A bit rusty, but looks good. And we have the interior. Very simple. 2 rivets for the interior, and that's it really. All the grills are attached to the body, and there is no dual light in this one. So I will drill that out. Now let's see. It's actually more simple than I thought it will be. I will do that as well for the rivets, but this should come off quite easy actually if we have drilled enough. Maybe, yeah, should come. That's done. Maybe I need to do a little bit more on the front. Yeah, you can see the edges. If they are, you see if they are thin enough, they come off. So let's see if I can. Yeah, that's done. So we got the interior, and this needs to be, looks like the body color. Yes, so that should be the body color. So I will do that by hand. Well, apart from that, pretty simple, and I'm happy that this comes apart because I can spray this a different color. And the windscreen was attached there, if you can see. But I guess we need to do a little bit filing here. Let's see if I can fit the new windscreen. But yeah, I can see already that the hole is pretty small. So actually not too bad. So this is going to sit there, obviously. I will put that in properly. But yeah, that's gonna sit like that. And then we have the interior. So yeah, pretty good. I'm happy. Yeah, so paint stripping. paint stripping. I might remove the but I think that's diecast, so that can stay. But you know what, I think I will remove it because I don't want to spray that with the same color as the interior. Now we got some little details, not too much, but we got some little meters there. So yeah, okay. I've done a little bit filing, so now we can see in full how this is gonna look. And if I put the interior as well, then we can see the full picture. Looks good, straight, and I think it's really nice. Yeah, I like it. Okay. The tires are rock hard. You can see, and I don't even try to. This one is good. I will keep this one as a spare. I will clean this one and I'll keep it as a spare for anything really. That one you can see is old, and this one's good as well. They're flexible. So these two I will keep. These two goes to the bin. And let's see if I can use this tool. I had to do, if you buy this one, I have to tell you that you have to do a little bit amendment here, because that is too fat and it won't go between the chassis. Even this one is a little bit too much. You can see there's not enough space. Let's try on the front. The front is better. Still, I have to do a little bit force. And now let's see if I can take this out. Not too accurate. So let's see if this comes off. It comes. That's it. I'm sorry, the camera is not focusing, it's focusing on the background. But here we go. So that's one end. And I will try to do this as well somehow, but it's a bit less space here. I need to force this a little bit. I try. Yes, okay. Let's see if I can put that into the middle. And this should come off as well pretty easy. Here we go. It's a good tool. It's really easy and quick to take off, and you can see these are the ones with 2 bars on it, so that will hold. I could remove this as well, just to, you know, to do that easier, but to be honest with you, that's okay. I can leave one side on it and I can clean them, but they are easier to clean if they are off the we'll see. I will decide if I take them off. So this is pretty rusty, as you can see, the inside, so I will clean that as well. Okay, so that's done. Disassembly done. I'll come back with the details.
started with, and this is our Mercedes without a windscreen. The paint is chipped and just needed a quick TLC really. And this is the car after restoration, painted blue as the challenge required. Fitted the new gloss, gave a new paint job, details done, and tires, hubs are updated as well.
So the Mercedes is finished. I'm not too happy with this paint. It looks actually worse than in real life. But this is a new paint, and it looks like an orange peel. So I'm not going to be using this paint again, but I'm happy with the car. It turned out nice. The paint isn't too bad in real life. On the camera is worse. But anyway, thank you guys watching this one. I think you like this Mercedes. I think it's a beautiful car, and I'm glad that I've got this glass so I could fix this one. Fantastic roller, and also it's part of the painted blue challenge on DMC, Diecast Modelers community, and this is my contribution to the monthly challenge. So cheers guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave comments down below what you think of this car or my previous ones. So enjoy your Friday guys, and have a nice weekend, and see you next Friday with another video. So cheers guys, take care, and bye bye now.